Hi there, guys. So we're gonna go and continue with this and follow up for the one of the final stages. Okay. So just to recap, we have the rig, the physical asset. We have the skeleton. We have the materials. That's not necessarily this. Okay, you can do it because you can have your own character. So I think one thing that probably I forgot to do was that the character, the one you can see that the cape is invisible for this size because the normals are pointing in this direction. So if you want to quickly fix that in single-sided geometry, just go into the material, in this case the red one. So I'm going to double click on this, and then in here in this section I'm going to tell them they're going to say, hey, this stuff is two-sided. Just click there, you save it, and now you should be able to see the material from both sides, I think. Okay, so if you click there, you can see it from the side. At the moment is the cape is stiff because if you've got no animation, we haven't done the cloth. Then we're going to do that next. Okay, so next stage we need to do is we're just going to set up the actual game mode. So remember, we have again going back to this, we've got the rig, we've got the materials, the animations. Do we have all the animation plus two more stuff here? One is the animation blueprint and the other one is the blend space, which already we copy and paste, and then we did the connections. Then we created the actual blueprint that is in the viewport, which is this one, the one you just drag and drop with all the animation blueprint attached to it. We create the game mode, we install. Now what we have to do, we have to actually assign this to be the game mode for the world and for the actual project. Okay, so first of all, we need to replace the one that comes with this system, with this sort of template. So if you go into world setting, you're telling here game mode override, and then you click on the game mode we created. In this case will be my character game mode. And you can see once you do that, then this is the guy that is get populated. See, before it says none, you see there's nothing, but then if we put the one we created, which is my character game mode, you can see that now it's the character blueprint and all the rest of the stuff. We didn't create heads-up display, we didn't create any of these things. It's just as it is, just the default as it comes with the template. So we got that here in the world. Now we need to set it up in the project. So we're gonna go here into project settings, and then here in project settings, the section that says game maps and mode, I think it is, yeah, maps and mode. Then you see that by default it's the third person template, so we need to change this for the one that we created. Again, character, my character blueprint. You don't need to hit save or anything like that because here is automatic. So that is that. So when we play, still this guy is the one that has precedence because it's the one that comes with it. So the final thing we need to do is we need to go into this guy, selecting this blueprint, which is that one. And then if we scroll down here in the detail, there is one section here, one of these elements section called pawn. We need to tell them to be this one, the actual default pawn, the one that comes out like player zero pretty much. And then you can assign that. Let's see what is pawn. To scroll down, you can search it from here if you want, but I'm just gonna go all the way down here. So you can see here pawn, and you tell them auto possess player, make sure that this is player 0. Okay, I'm gonna save all, and now theoretically, let's see if it works. If you click play, then it's your character that is there. You see, now the character is the one that is going to be triggered. Okay, so you can see it has all the loops, it has the landing, it has the star, it has the loop in the air, it has the run. Obviously I cannot see the what's it called, the run or the run and the what is it called, the run towards the wall, because I'm not using like a controller. So you can take this one here, and then you can just delete it, and now that will be your character there. So that's it, guys. You see, it's very simple. We're just stealing stuff from the third person template. No biggie, no coding, just copy and pasting. All you have to do is just chain the connections one by one, and you should be able to go. So this is pretty much what I want from you guys. Now the cloth thing and the collision, that's what we're gonna do next in the next episode, the next chapter of this tutorial series, and that's it. Then we're done. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, and I think this should be enough for you guys to put your project together in Unreal. I know that I already put all this stuff already from last year, but I wanted to create a fresh one now because just in case the UI is slightly different with the new version of Unreal, or just something like that. So just in case there's something different, I don't want you to get confused. So I just did it like this, so can easily work with this. Okay. Again, it's a matter of simply just stealing what you have already there, without having to worry about how to do all this coding. I mean, we're not teaching coding here. We're not programmers. We're just artists. So I just want you to have a good just a good template for you to just showcase your and demonstrate your characters. So you can follow this procedure later on for any other character that you do in the future. That's it. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. All right. Bye bye.